this is the AIRGLOW. We want to show you how to deflate the whole system. Simply unlock it here. Take off all your backings and also here the front screens and put it on the safe area. You leave everything on it, all the outer bounce fabrics. Open the two frames. They will nicely fold together like that. Also the pillow and deflate it. Just leave it for a while. It will always deflate by itself. Otherwise you can push it a little bit. Be careful while not pushing too hard on it, and then you can fold it together and put it back. When you open it the next time, make sure that no Velcro is blocking the whole thing so that you don't have any kind of air jam happening. This was the simple video how to deflate the whole AIRGLOW system. And if you want to have more information, just go on our website, DoPchoice.com. Thanks for watching.